Hi everyone, welcome to the world of smart investments. In this video, I will give you an answer to purely practical question that is often asked to me: where and most importantly, how to find a good company to invest in. Oh, it's very simple. Just type in Google search Yahoo Finance and you will get www.financeyahoo.com. This is their homepage. They create a huge amount of financial and business content, but we as smart investors are not interested in a review of financial news. We are interested in their additional service, Equity Screener. Equity Screener is the same stock screener. You can find it the screeners menu. In the drop-down menu, you can select various types of screeners and even build your own and save items in a folder saved screeners. But for this, you need to register in the Yahoo Finance service. It's absolutely free, but we are only interested in the equity screener now. Click on it and go to the equity screener web page. The interface of this screener is very minimalistic. At the top there is a section with settings for search criteria, and at the bottom of the page you will see a list of companies. Now empty here. The biggest advantage of this screener is that you can choose different countries and regions. Make it very simple. Click on plus near button Add region. Check in any country which you want. For example, I choose Switzerland. Below, you can also choose companies with a certain level of capitalization, a certain share price from a certain industry. To do this, very simple, press next to, for example, a sector and select what you need from the drop-down menu. At this stage, this does not interest us, so we will remove it all. Now, the screener shows us that we have access to 244 companies whose shares are traded on the Swiss stock exchange in Zurich. Let me remind you that during the primary selection of companies, we are interested in three key criteria: ROI, return on equity, ROIC, return on investment capital, and return on total capital, and ratio debt to equity. With those indicators, it's a very simple way to do it. Click on plus add another filter and choose these indicators among 10 other. Confirm your choice by clicking on close button and they appear in our screener. Now configure each of these indicators. Under each of selected indicators, there is a small drop-down menu with a down arrow. Click on it And for debt to equity, choose less than and print in small window 0.1. For return on equity, choose greater than and print 20%. And for return on total capital, choose greater than and print 20% too. After the data entered, the program automatically selects companies according to these criteria. Maybe there is such a situation as we have now. Under the estimated results, we see 0, and under it in red is indicated your screening filters are too strict. This means that among all the companies on Swiss stock exchange, there is not single company that would meet our criteria. In this situation, we do the following: reduce return on equity and return on total capital to 15% and click to find stocks. After that, we immediately get two companies in your list. You can click on each company, ticker of company, and open all data, financial data, stock market data for each company in separate window. In individual companies page, you can see price chart, financial statement, CIC filing, and many information about a company. All this information is absolutely free for you. Use this information and evaluate company.